Team Darkstar has now arrived at the location of the getaway ship. But hey-ho, there's nothing there! The ship is hidden. It could take days, even weeks of painstaking searching just to find it.
Ratchet, if you activate the vector transmitter nodes in that area, I can triangulate the beacons to locate the ship.
Explosions are pretty.
Oops, one of his bots just went down. Oh, too bad it was the cute one too.
War is hell, Juanita, but where does that leave Dreadzone, huh? So that's where the ship was, under the statue. Well, I just lost 50 volts. Unfortunately for Ace's ego, Team Darkstar will have to blow up the statue to access the hangar underneath.
Ratchet, you will have to command your bots to set the explosives on the statue.
look at him go. You know, for a little guy, this Lombax can really put the smack down. Folks, I hope everybody's peed because we're not breaking for commercial anytime soon.
Command your bots to place their explosives on each tower. When all the explosives are placed, they will detonate.
What they mean by gratuitous violence, Juanita. I'm gonna call my kids and tell them to stop watching just as soon as I have kids. Absolutely unbelievable, folks. Ratchet has defeated the Torval battle course and escaped from the planet's surface aboard a space shuttle hidden inside the Ace Hardlight Memorial. Only on Dread Zone, folks. You can't make this stuff up.
Ratchet, you have now qualified for the Vindicator tournament. You know, Captain Starshield holds the all-time scoring record for this tournament.